I've got Chris here from Lazy 7. How did your game go today?
A bit of a lucky escape for us. We equalised with about 30 seconds to go for a 1-1 draw against Giroud Sandstorm. What a name. Yeah, they were pretty good. They were a bunch of big guys, all really good on the ball as well, so it's pretty hard to get past them.
Nice.
I think our performance probably wasn't what it could be. I certainly include myself in that. But no, we got there in the end, so that'll do for now.
Nice. Well, good luck for your next game.
Cheers.
Cheers.